Hello students, welcome to NCRT class 8 Geography. Let's go through the chapters. Chapter 1 Resources, Chapter 2 Land, Soil, Water, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife Resources, Chapter 3 Agriculture, Chapter 4 Industries, Chapter 5 Human Resources. In this session, we are going to discuss about NCRT class 8 Geography, Chapter 1. The chapter name is Resources. We are going to discuss about theory and the question and answers. Let's go through the definition of a resource. So, anything that can be used to satisfy a need is known as a resource. Examples of resources are clothes, utensils, food grains, combs, bottle of honey, books, etc. Value. The definition of value is having worth or importance attributed to something. For example, things become resources only when they have value which can be derived from their use or utility. Utility. The quality of being useful or practical, the capacity to satisfy a need. For example, water, electricity, rickshaw, vegetable and textbook all share utility as they have been used, making them resources. Utility or usability is what transforms an object or substance into a resource. Points to be noted. Time and technology change substances into resources. People, the most crucial resource, contribute ideas, knowledge and inventions. Discoveries lead to the creation of more resources like fire enabling cooking and the wheel shaping the new transport. Hydroelectric technology transforms fast flowing water into a vital resource. Let's discuss the types of resources. So, resources are categorized into natural, human-made and human resources. Natural resources. These are drawn from nature, for example, air, water, soils and minerals. These are classified into renewable, for example, solar, wind energy, etc. and non-renewable, for example, coal, petroleum resources. So basically two types of resources, renewable and non-renewable. The distribution of these resources are influenced by terrain, climate and altitude. The second one is human-made resources, derived from natural substances modified by human. For example, iron ore turned into iron. This includes buildings, machinery, vehicles and technology. The third one is human resources. People as a valuable resource with knowledge, skills and technology. Education and health enhance human resource development. Conserving resources. It means using resources carefully, allowing time for renewal and balancing their use for sustainable development. So what is sustainable development? So balancing the need to use resources with conserving them for future. Now what is resource conservation? The act of using resources carefully to ensure their availability for the future. Renewable resources. Resources that can be replenished and sustained over time. Non-renewable resources. Resources with a limited stock that may be exhausted over time. Diversity of life. Preserving the variety of living organisms on Earth. Environmental system. The natural balance and functioning of the Earth's ecosystems. Minimizing damage, reducing harm to the natural environmental system. Let's go through NCRT Class 8 Geography Chapter 1 Questions and Answers. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why are resources distributed unequally over the Earth? Answer. The Earth's varied topography, climate and altitude create disparities in the distribution of resources. These factors differ significantly from place to place and the unequal distribution is further shaped by varying levels of development and technology worldwide. What is resource conservation? Conservation entails ethically using and safeguarding valuable resources like minerals, water, trees and wildlife for future generations. The focus is on preserving the natural world and protecting the sources of these essential elements. Why are human resources important? Humans are vital resources uniquely capable of extracting value from various resources. Their knowledge, skills, and technology empower them to efficiently utilize nature, creating additional resources. The value of humans as resources is further enhanced through education and health. What is sustainable development? Sustainable development entails striking a balance between present resource utilization and conservation for the future. Preserving the planet's life support system is crucial for the well being of both Earth and its inhabitants. This involves responsible use of renewable resources, conservation of biodiversity, and minimizing environmental damage, ensuring a legacy for future generations. Question number 2. Take the correct answer. Which one of the following doesn't make the sustainable resource? The answer is quantity. Which one of the following is a human made resource? The answer is medicines to treat cancer. Complete the following statement. Biotic resources are derived from non living things. So, this completes NCRT class at Geography chapter 1. Let's continue in the next session.